252 watts. 252 watts, guys. That is what Sabrent is claiming on this VOLTIK 8-port charger that they sent over to me. Yes, they did send this over to me, and I'm very appreciative of that. We're gonna be reviewing this today. So if you're anyone like me, and you charge a ton of stuff, a ton of this is gonna be super helpful. I've actually thoroughly enjoyed this. This is one of those products that I didn't even know I needed until they sent it over, and I started using it, testing it, and here we are. So let's check it out, guys. Let's go, let's go. So this is what Sabrent sent over. So a 252 watt 8-port USB PD 3.0 charger with color LCD display. And I've already kind of checked it out. And first thing I'm gonna say right now, display could have been bigger. I'm a screen guy. I like my screen real estate. So that's the first thing. That was one of the only cons I actually had. I like bigger screens, and probably because I'm getting older, my eyes suck too. That might be a thing. So as you can see, we got PD, USB Type C, and we got USB Type A. So you have 4 ports each, so 4 USB A's, and you have 4 USB Type C ports on this bad boy. And let me tell you what, you're gonna be utilizing 50% of these ports on a daily basis, just being honest. And I'm so tired of having chargers and plugs and transformers and bricks and all these things, having to haul 5 around and all this. Oh my gosh, just taking this bad boy, dubs for sure. And we can do a quick read on the features on here. So try to keep it focused on here. Oh man, the focus. There we go. All right, so features. We got a built-in color LCD screen capable of detailing per port power draw, and it does do that. So you can actually check the temps and the power draw per port by using the one active button that's on the front of the device. You can cycle through each port and it displays that information. So it delivers a maximum of 252 watts across all 8 ports. I don't know what that is broken down right now, but I will drop it on the screen, what the actual wattage would be per port. It's got 2 pairs of USB-C charging ports with a maximum 100 watt per port or 125 watts per pair. Supported 5 volt 3 amp, 9 volt 3 amp, 12 volt 3 amp, 15 volt 3 amp, or 20 volt 5 amp, 20 V's, yo. We got 2 pairs of USB Type A's charging ports with a maximum of 18 watt per port or 36 watts per pair. Supported 5 volt 3 amp, 9 volt 2 amp, or 12 volt 1.5 amps. It is a programmable power supply. So PPS allows for adjustable charging to accommodate different devices. And then we have an overcharge protection to ensure safe charging in Kensington lock slot for additional peace of mind. Who uses the Kensington lock? I mean, I'm surprised they still put those on devices, to be honest. This thing's pretty sick. It's huge. Let's get into it, guys. As you can see, you can cycle each port. Each port is labeled A1A, A1B, things like that. So you can cycle and you can see the current, temperature per port, voltage, current, everything like that. So you can cycle each port, and it is awesome that you can do that because not a lot of these like bulk type chargers actually display that. So it's a very, very good feature. And as you can see, I'm charging 5 different objects. 3 things are being powered, 2 are charging, as you can see. So I'm charging my AirPod Maxes and my PS5 controller. And then I'm also powering my Ampligame Stream Deck. This is just being powered, so if you ever want to use it just for the power portion of it, you can also do that. And then I'm also powering like these strips, these hex lights on my wall too. So it's actually powering those right now, which is really cool. All right, so as you can see, we got 4 USB Type A ports and then 4 Type C ports. Oh my Lord, that screen is dirty. Man, I've been sorry. Definitely should have wiped that off. And then you have the one button. So this one button is how you cycle through everything. And actually a cool feature, which if I had it plugged in, I would show that right now, is if you actually double press it quick, it'll actually flip the screen upside down. So for me, I'm a 3D printing guys, and you know this, I'm actually creating a massive docking station for this. I'm in the middle of designing it right now, but I'm going to be putting this upside down. It's going to go in this, and then there's going to be docking stuff attached to it off to the side. And of course, you got a vent hole down here, but double click this, it flips the screen, so then it'll be right side up on here whenever my stuff is charging. Little cool feature about that. I liked it. If you guys want me to drop my 3D print file, if you guys pick one of these up and you want to turn it into like a big charging station, because we have company all the time, so it makes sense for us. But if you guys want to turn it to a big charging station, I'll drop that STL file. I'll pin it. I'll put it in the description for you guys if you want it. Yeah, let me know. And it does come with a detachable power cord, which is awesome, especially for travel. I plan on taking this with me when I travel. It is a little bulky. It's not massive or anything like that, but it is bulky for sure, and it does have a little bit of weight to it. So if you do plan on grabbing one of these for travel, and you can do your whole family off this one device, which is awesome. So on the back, we do have a non-slip surface on here. So I did the peels on them. So if it's on a surface, it'll sit, not slip around, which is awesome. Also, it does come with a mount. So if you want to mount it onto a pegboard or anything else, it does have a little bracket for it to mount. So it does come with this bracket for it, so for you to place on it, and you can drill it into the wall. You can do it on the pegboard, whichever you want to do, and it slides onto the back like this. There you go. And you can mount this on a wall. If you're somebody that has like a workshop or a area, or work in the garage, you want to mount it somewhere like that. It makes it really convenient and gets it out of the way. That's really cool. And it does come with the hardware as well to mount it. So it comes with some screws and the plugs for the wall. Excellent. Good thinking, Sabrent. And as you can see right here, guys, from this video, it does charge very quickly. It does have fast charge for especially iPhones. Like I have the iPhone 17 right now, and it's charging it at 40 watts, which is awesome. So it's going to put a good charge on it really quick for the go. So it is convenient in that aspect too.
Who is going to benefit from purchasing this product?
Ow. Topo Chico, guys. Topo Chico. Cheers if you got them. So honestly, if you're someone like me that has a ton of things to charge and has a little area to where you can set up a charger like this, absolutely recommend it. It's not going to be for anybody that likes slim design and things like that. It's meant to charge a lot of things, and it's meant to charge a lot of things very fast. It does a great job at that. I personally am going to use it on my workstation area. It's going to charge all my stuff. It charges 2 laptops, headphones, and controllers, and a couple tablets here and there. When my kids leave them down here, they kill them, drop it on the floor. I think travel and home workspace are going to be the best uses for these, me personally, especially if you have tons of devices. So like when we travel, we have 8 people. So when we travel, we charge a lot, and this is going to benefit us, and this is how we're going to use it. I do thank Sabrent for sending me this device to review. I'm appreciative they reached out to me. Honestly, like I said at the beginning of this video, this is one of those products I didn't even know I needed until I tried it out. And I was thoroughly pleased at the outcome of it. They did give me a 10% off coupon code for anybody that wants one. The link will be in the description. If you do, check it out. It helps the channel massively as we're pushing to 100 subscribers. Let's go. Anyways, check it out in the description. I thank you guys for being here. Thanks for joining. My name is Adam James, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you guys.